Welcome back. Today we are going to prepare pancakes. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll typically need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 cup's milk, 2 egg, 2 tablespoons of oil. Step 2. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl of dry ingredients. Gently fold them together with a spatula or spoon until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are okay. Overmixing can develop the gluten in the flour, leading to tough pancakes. Step 6. Grease the cooking surface. Lightly grease pan with a little oil. This prevents the pancakes from sticking. Step 7. Pour the batter. Pour a 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot, greased surface for each pancake. You can adjust the size depending on your preference. Step 8. Cook the first side. Cook for about 2 to 4 minutes. Or until bubbles start to appear on the surface and the edges look set. Step 9. Flip and cook the second side. Carefully flip the pancakes with a thin spatula. Cook for another 1 to 3 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Gently press down on the center of the pancake. It should spring back lightly when done. Step 10. Serve and enjoy. Transfer the cooked pancakes to a plate and keep them warm if needed while you cook the remaining batter. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings like maple syrup, fruit, whipped cream, chocolate chips, or anything else that sounds delicious. Enjoy your homemade pancakes.